up, Fabs and Besties? I'm Toya from MyFroggyStuff. Welcome to Toy Fair 2025. We are at Mattel taking a look at what's new from Monster High. Dracula is hanging upside down, and if you look under the bed, there is space for our creepy cool friends too. This is the Monster High Boutique Hotel. It's foldable with 360 play. There are spooky surprises in every room. It comes with 13 plus accessories for sparking imagination. This is a Scary Sweets birthday doll. It is Cupid, and she comes with a few accessories, including the balloon. In this line, we also find Claudine with a birthday cake kit, where we can decorate cakes. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. From Skulltimate Secrets, we have new dolls with the theme Hollywood. We got Frankie, Claudine, and Caddy Noir. We can expect to see these fall of 2025. New Monster High Potions Crystal Ball Assortment. I'm seeing new characters all dressed up with this new theme. And new Monster High Buried Secrets dolls coming out spring of 2025.
She turned the gold into grief. She painted colors that don't exist. She used to smile, but never for free.
We are at Barbie, checking out a few things that I know you want to see. Barbie Party Unboxed. It looks like we have a fun birthday party theme where we get to decorate a cake with Barbie dough. New pop reveal. I love the little, was that like a sundae? Ice cream cone milkshake? It's cute. New cutie reveal, Care Bears. Yes, I love Care Bears. And new Barbie color reveal, Disco series. Barbie Dream Besties. I'm seeing a few new dolls, like these Brooklyn and Malibu Get Ready With Me dolls. Lots of accessories so we can get all glammed up. And I'm seeing a new member, Zia, coming out fall 2025. Celebrating Mattel's 80th anniversary, there are new anniversary dolls. Wow, check out that dress. There are 2 dolls to choose from for us to add to our collection. Let's take a look at Polly Pocket. This spring, we can expect to see Polly Pocket Tiny Takeout Reveal. These are mystery boxes, so you don't know what you're gonna get. Here are some new core compacts. We have some seasonal items. I'm loving the little gingerbread house and the Peeps. We're getting a whole Polly Pocket world in a teeny tiny Peep. That is too cute. And check this out, Polly Pocket and Care Bears. I couldn't love this more. And Barbie Deluxe Style. These dolls put the glam in glamorous. Check out these new Barbie Deluxe Style dolls with fashion. It is so sparkly and shiny. Loving it. Can't wait to mix and match. New from Barbie, here is You Create Barbie Basics. So we're gonna put this Barbie together. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to do some censoring right there. But here we go. Supposedly we just put the head on. And I've been assured that I'm not gonna break it. I've been told. Look at that! Oh my gosh! Wait, a little bit. There we go. Oh my gosh, not to mention her face is gorgeous. These kits come with fashion, dolls, and accessories. With all of these new fashion, and I love black because you know what? It goes with everything. Oh, check that out. Once you get your outfit picked out, it's time to get the wig. So let's see how this goes on. All right, I was told I could just put it on. Let's just put it on. Oh my goodness. Do you see them curls? That looks amazing. And that wig is staying down. We can add some accessories and the boots. I don't think they go with this dress, but I'm gonna do it anyway. We can rock some boots with a dress. These are launching this week. Now, this is a very large kit. You're gonna get 3 bodies in here, along with fashion, wigs, and accessories. They are letting us have everything we need to create our ultimate Barbie basic doll with full articulation. And here is the 2025 Career of the Year, the pop star and tour manager. And do you see that one-of-a-kind Alicia Keys Barbie? Come on, I'm gonna put all my positive vibes out there into the world. I need a playline Alicia Keys. And of course, Barbie fashionistas. There are a few new faces that we can expect to see throughout this year. From Disney Snow White, here are the new collector dolls. Here is the Evil Queen, and do you see her crown? It looks like it's made of stained glass. Loving that, and her dress is so sparkly. And Snow White in this large dress. I'm seeing layers on the skirt. Loving that, along with her cape. And I think she comes with an apple. Yeah, she does. My Little Pony is offering some lifestyle items. There is a mini sew collab, and check out that Loungefly bag. And here is the My Little Pony Sunny's playset reveal. It's a giant pony that opens up into a playset. Furbies have gone mini. There are going to be Furbies coming out in surprise bags fall of 2025. They are food themed and they have fun little hair. Everything we love about Furbies in a smaller size. And here we have Furblets. When you combine two together, they can sing together. Barbie and Play-Doh have come together to create this fun new toy, Play-Doh Barbie. Here is the designer fashion show kit. Suggested retail price will be $34.99. The packaging turns into a playset with a runway, and we can even turn this on the side so we can get a look all the way around. They do come with a doll, and these are priced at $19.99, and there will be refills for the Play-Doh at $9.99. There are molds that we can use to make hairstyles, and this here is so we can make those ruffles. Look for these in stores July 15th. New minis coming to Five Below. You know how much we love our retro toys. These are in the stores right now. These are the spring collection for Rainbow Bright. We're getting new hoses here. I'm loving the outfits. And then if we go over to Strawberry Shortcake, I believe I just bought this one in the store at Five Below the other day. So yeah, those are definitely in store. And we found dolls. 12-inch dolls, y'all. Here we have Jim and the Holograms. Now, this one is out right now, but you can expect to see more coming soon. These are fully articulated, and they're 12-inch. We're getting rooted hair, fabric clothes, all the things you know us doll collectors are looking to find. And Carmen Sandiego is out now, celebrating her 40th anniversary. This is a 12-inch doll. We do have some articulation and fabric clothes and accessories. What's up, y'all? We are at Just Play, taking a look at what's new and what's on the shelf. Disney Munchlings. These are a new collectible with a fun food Disney theme. We've shown a couple of these on our channel, and I love that they can be food for dolls. A little large, but definitely fun. There are play sets so you can store and display your Munchling collection. I love that. They've got mystery figures. You get 2 in a box, and they have smells. That's right, they're scented. We had fun with some of these. Look at this little croissant. This is so adorable. I see several that I need to add to my personal collection. Disney Doorables. Y'all, I love me some Doorables. Disney Doorables Remember When. These look like little cameras. These are out now. The Doorables even come out like pictures. That's too cute. There are 40 to collect. Each one comes with 4 Doorables. Disney Doorables Moana 2. Here is the collection peek with 9 figures inside. Here are some of the figures, and ooh, check out Maui. Disney Doorables Squish-A-Lot. These Whatcha Gotcha machines are too cute. I'm liking how they look all stacked together. We should totally make a store. And the Technicolor ones make this beautiful ombre color. Disney Doorables Adorbs. Disney Doorables Super Fans. Here are the classic crew members, and there is a new one that has just been added. It's Marie, all dressed in pink. Look at those curls. Now, these are available in stores now. From Creepy Cools, we now have Ursula. Perfectly Pixar, we have Sadness as the newest member. Oh, look at her glasses.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching.
Oh, snap. Knot It, Twist It, Style It. These are knots. These are little pipe cleaner kits where you can make animals. This is a cute little dog, and they come with accessories as well. Now, this is a surprise capsule, so you don't know what you're gonna get. Thank you for joining us at New York Toy Fair 2025. We'll see you next time. Now roll the montage.
I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. I'm gonna